Welcome back to Facebook Mastery. Today we're going to learn how to edit our CTA button, also known as call to action. Alright, first go to your business page, as you can see here. Then hover your mouse on this button right here, the blue one, and a window will pop up, and click the edit button. After that, pick the most suitable one for you. In my case, I will pick send message over here. I'll click that, and then I will click next. Then I will choose from where the message will come from. In this case, I'll pick Messenger. Then I will click finish. And as you can see, the button has been changed. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe.